Dr. Ram Babu has been a backbone of our ENT department and also SAHI for several years. He belongs to a rare breed of medical professionals who place science, morals and ethics above everything else. He serves as a role model for younger ENT surgeons. I really feel very glad today that Apollo has recognized his immense contribution to society.
Dr. Ram Babu is an excellent surgeon. He is very quick and his surgical skills are exemplary. Not only is he a great surgeon, he is an excellent human being. He is one of the co-founders of SAHI, which provides cochlear implants to the needy. He spends most of his Sundays working in a free clinic providing human service.
My association with Ram Babu sir is since 18 years. One is SAHI. He likes SAHI so much. After Vinay sir, I can say he likes so much and he does very good work for SAHI. He conducts camps and he does surgeries for SAHI. I can understand the way he works for SAHI as well, the amount of help he does for audiology. Thank you.
Very hardworking, sincere, with simple nature. As a doctor, he proved himself as Vaidyo Narayana Hari. Practically, he serves everybody with love and affection, not only as a doctor, but also in serving the rural community.
Dr. Ram Babu has been my senior colleague and I have been associated with him from past 16 to 17 years. Apart from being an excellent ENT surgeon, he is a good human being. Basically, he is our troubleshooter. Any personal or professional problem, we approach him and he comes out with such a simple answers. If I may say that Dr. Vinay is the heart and soul, Dr. Ram Babu is backbone of our department. I always wish him the very best.
నేను రాంబాబు వాళ్ళ వదినను. హీఈస్ వర్తీ పర్సన్ టు ఫెలిసిటేట్. రాంబాబుకి చాలా పేషెన్స్ అసలు. హీఈస్ వెరీ హంబుల్, డౌన్ టు ఎర్త్. అన్నీ ఎక్కడ ఆయన ఏది ఎంత ఫుల్ బిజీ ఉన్నా కూడా అన్ని పనులు చక్కగా చేస్తారు. అందరితో బాగుంటారు.
I know Ram Babu since 1972, Karnool Medical College. We joined MBBS together. Then we joined army together and he did a short stint of 5 years and left, and I continued in army and retired. He has become a complete great personality, professionally very sound, clinically very astute, and he is very empathetic to the patients. So when I observe him in surgery also, he has developed a great skills. He is very fast and to the point. I wish him great achievements in future.
It's been 11 years since the inception of SAHI, and it's been that long since I've known Dr. Ram Babu. He's one of the most affectionate and genuinely warm persons that I know. He's also a very dedicated doctor, extremely good with his patients. I've seen him at work and I found that he bonds very well with his patients. I congratulate him and I wish him all the very best.
I have been associated with Dr. Ram Babu sir since the past 16 to 17 years in the ENT department. His intense love and affection in serving the underprivileged people is reflected by the significant services he has been rendering to these people, health camps conducted by him. Significant services to the SAHI organization is reflected by the vast number of patients who have been benefited by this organization. Dr. Vinay Kumar sir, Dr. Ram Babu sir and Dr. Jaswinder Singh are responsible for making the cochlear implant program in this hospital so successful that we have been able to complete the 1000th cochlear implant recently. I believe that Dr. Ram Babu sir is a role model for those people who believe that service to humanity is service to God. Thank you.
It's a pleasure to be talking about Dr. Ram Babu as a brilliant professional, very dedicated to his work, very disciplined in his approach to the medical situations, and as a colleague always having a jest for life and explaining things easily and comfortably to people. I wish him lot of more success in his professional life.
It's been a great experience working with sir. Very motivative, and he is very oriented educationally and academically. He always teaches his juniors and encourages them to learn new things, new techniques and new developments in the ENT field. It's been a great experience working with sir, and I wish sir all success and happiness in his life.
Hi Peg Nana, congratulations on your felicitation. I'm very happy for you and I love you so much, and you're the nicest person I've ever met and also very sweet, and being around you is always nice, and whenever you're around us or you come with us anywhere, it's like there's a positive energy, and congratulations.
Ram Babu sir, he is a very subtle, balanced and very disciplined person. I have not seen him in a real excitement or down. He is always the same, very balanced, very focused. Probably his military background, he appears to be fit and he is very honest. When you look at a person, you get that feeling in your mind that such a balanced person. I congratulate Ram Babu sir on this occasion. Recently their team has done 1,000 cochlear implants. They celebrated it, and I wish them to do another 1,000 or 2,000. No, that should be a world record that nobody can even break that record even in a span of 10 or 20 years. I wish them all the best, and especially Ram Babu sir. Thank you.
I have great association with Dr. Ram Babu garu and working with him in Sahi organization since 2004, and I have together attended many camps in rural areas, and really I admire his dedication, devotion to the cause of the poor people, and I really found great patience in him, and he is first a humanist and then second doctor, and really I can heartfully congratulate him on the occasion of felicitation by Apollo Hospitals.
I know Dr. Ram Babu since the last 15 years, initially as my dad's colleague in the ENT department, but as the years have gone by, I think he's become more a part of our family than just being a colleague of my dad. Everybody knows what a good ENT specialist he is, but apart from that, he is also a wonderful human being, and Uncle, I wish you all the very best and hope your career goes great, and always stay just the way you are, such a wonderful and sweet person.
I would like to congratulate Dr. Ram Babu sir on the achievement of yet another milestone in his life. Sir is a very passionate surgeon. He has a lot of wisdom to offer, and we upcoming doctor has a lot to learn from him. So I am looking forward to it. Thank you.
When I think about my Baba as a fellow physician, something that strikes to me right away is his integrity. What I mean by that is the way he treats, talks, and cares, not only for family members or his children, but for fellow patients. It is just the same. That is what I mean by integrity. But more so, as a human being, I'm sure you have noticed how good and how dedicated and how kind he is. One other thing that I'm very proud to say as a part of his family is how he paved the way for all of us kids to become just like him, to emulate him, to become not just some good doctor or a professional, but be a good human being. I'm so proud of you, Baba. Congratulations.
Ram Babu sir is the one whom I remember when I think of my role models. I also remember Swami words, love all, serve all, help ever and hurt never, when I think about Ram Babu sir. His passion towards academic activities are boon for our department. Is very simple, always with smiley face and approachable to everyone. We are very fortunate to work with him.
Like a student, if I have to say something about Ram Babu sir, is not going to be enough. The person who is ambitious, analytical, cheerful, motivated and focused. Like this, there are so many things which sir has shown us and taught us by always being a lovable teacher. I am under sir's guidance since last 2 years, and he has always been my moral support. I would like to say, sir, working for you is an honor. Working under you is a pleasure, an experience that I will truly treasure. So in an army style, I salute you, sir, for all the good work. Thank you.
డాక్టర్ గారు నాకు 15 ఏళ్ల నుంచి పరిచయం. డాక్టర్ వృత్తే సేవ. మా విద్యానగర్ ఏరియాలో డివోటీస్ అందరికీ ఏ మెడికల్ ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చినా వారి దగ్గర ఎప్పుడైనా రావచ్చు, ఎప్పుడైనా సలహా తీసుకోవచ్చు అని ఓపెన్గా డిక్లేర్ చేశారు.
Sir, You always mentor and guide me like a father. Unlike a boss who dictates the work, you are a leader, a mentor, and a role model who motivates us to give our best at whatever we do. You have truly turned the ENT department into one big family, and it is a privilege to be a part of this family. Sir, from Unnati Shah, you have turned me into Unnati Sahi, and I can't thank you enough for this. Without you, Sahi's progress would have been impossible. Thank you, sir.
Dr. Ram Babu and myself, we are friends since 85. He is a perfect gentleman, well behaved and of good nature. He doesn't speak ill of anybody. He's particularly fond of children, and you can find him around where the children are. He usually plays with them a lot. I congratulate him on his achievements with the cochlear implants, and his association with Sevadal and Sahi has furthered his cause.
From past 2 years, I have learned very much from you, which is good, which is wrong, and you have guided me in each and everything. Thank you for that support, sir.
I am associating with sir since 15 years. He is dedicated to his profession and he is more of service oriented person. He is a good academician and a good guide for his subordinates. Describing him in words is very difficult. He is beyond words. I wish him good health and happiness throughout his life.
He is a doctor with full of a determination and is dedicated to his profession. He is very cool. I am so proud to be work with him. I wish him all success and happiness throughout his life.
నేను డాక్టర్ రామ్ బాబు గారు సార్ తోటి ENT డిపార్ట్మెంట్లో పనిచేస్తున్న ఓటీ టెక్నీషియన్. సార్ చాలా మంచి వ్యక్తి, మంచిగా చూసుకుంటాడు మమ్మల్ని అందరినీ.
Hi, Dr. Ram Babu. Congratulations today that Apollo Hospital is honoring you for your services. What I believe about your services is, of course, as a doctor, you have been dedicated for your profession. But what is very special in you is a dedication to the patient. That's what I saw in you. God bless you and give the best of everything in your life.
Dr. Ram Babu gurinchi cheppali ante, there is a saying, Vaidyo Narayana Hari, which is very apt for you. You have done great service professionally and you do a lot of community service to the society. So we all feel very proud to be associated with you. God bless you.
డాక్టర్ రామ్ బాబు గారు అందరికీ డాక్టరు, మాకు మటుకు బాబాయి. మా బాబాయి మా ఇంట్లో మా రిలేషన్ అందరిలో యాజ్ ఎ డాక్టర్గా కానీ, యాజ్ ఎ ఫ్రెండ్గా కానీ, యాజ్ ఎ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్గా కానీ చాలా బాగా హెల్ప్ఫుల్గా ఉన్నారు. కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ రామ్ బాబాయ్.
I'm sure it will make Nana very happy to see all of us talk a little something about him. So Nana always tells me that before you begin to do something, write down everything, try to share a few thoughts of how and my experiences of how it has been to grow up with a father like him. You just inspire us every day to be better human beings, to take life every minute as it comes and to enjoy every moment of it just like you do. So I can only hope that life has so much more to offer to you because you deserve every bit of it. Congratulations Nana once again, and I'd like to thank and appreciate each and everyone who's put in efforts in making this event a grand success. Thank you.
డాక్టర్ రామ్ బాబు గారు, యూఆర్ వెరీ వెరీ స్పెషల్. చాలా రేర్గా అటు కార్యదక్షత, పర్ఫెక్షన్ రెండు కలిసి భగవంతుడి బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ ఉండడం చాలా డిఫికల్ట్, అండ్ బోత్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ ఆ రెండు మీలో ఉన్నాయి. అందుకే యూఆర్ వెరీ డిఫరెంట్, అండ్ మీలో ఉన్నటువంటి బెస్ట్ క్వాలిటీ ఈజ్ యువర్ ప్రొఫెషనలిజం విత్ ద హార్ట్, అండ్ ఆ హార్ట్ మీరు అటు సాహిలో ప్రూవ్ చేసుకున్నారు, పర్సనల్ కేర్ తీసుకోవడంలో ప్రూవ్ చేసుకుంటారు. యు ఆర్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది బెస్ట్ సోల్స్ దట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ మెట్. Keep that divine spirit within.
Words are just no match for the endless love that we have suffered on me and my son. And that to express in words and put it in a few minutes video is just something impossible. You and Mummy have been the powerhouse to each of the trillion cells in my body. And you have been my role model in each and every aspect in my life. Either be it in choosing in a career or be it in sports or be it in a spiritual field, or how to be good in academics, or even how to stay physically fit and smart. You have been a perfect role model to me always, and you'll always be my role model. and I just hope that I always stand up to your expectations and I just live up to everyone's dreams and I always make you happy and I always wish to see the happy face in you.
I am Mrs. Ram Babu, as you know. I want to say some words about him. మా నాన్నగారు ప్రపోజల్స్ చూసేటప్పుడు అసలు నేను డాక్టర్ సంబంధం వస్తుంది అనుకోలేదు. మా ఫాదర్ వాళ్ళ మదర్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి తన గురించి అడిగినప్పుడు వాళ్ళ మదర్ ఏమన్నారంటే, మా అబ్బాయి చాలా మంచోడండి, శ్రీరామచంద్ర లాంటి వాడు అని అన్నారు. నిజంగా అలాగే అనిపించింది నాకు మ్యారేజ్ తర్వాత. 2000లో అపోలో హాస్పిటల్ జూబ్లీ హిల్స్లో జాయిన్ అయ్యారు. అంతకుముందు హైదరాబాద్ అపోలోలో కూడా చేసేవాళ్ళు. ఈజ్ వెరీ మచ్ హ్యాపీ విత్ హిస్ టీమ్, డాక్టర్ వినయ్ కుమార్ అండ్ డాక్టర్ జస్విందర్, శ్రీనివాస్, ఆడియాలజిస్ట్ అందరితో చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంటారు. ఎప్పుడు అంటుంటారు అనమాట, అపోలోలో జాయిన్ అవ్వడం చాలా బాగా అనిపిస్తుంది, చాలా బాగా అనిపిస్తారు అందరూ అని. అండ్ సాహి ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ఒకటి స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కువ దాని గురించి ఆలోచిస్తుంటారు, క్యాంప్స్ ఎక్కడ కండక్ట్ చేయాలి, ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుండాలి అని. హీఈస్ వెరీ మచ్ డెడికేటెడ్ టు హిస్ ప్రొఫెషన్. తను మార్నింగ్ వెళ్ళి ఈవినింగ్ వస్తుంటారు. తను చాలా బిజీగా ఉన్నా కూడా తన డెడికేషన్ చూస్తుండడం వల్ల నాకేమనిపించదు అనమాట. సో ఫ్యామిలీకి కూడా అంతే టైం స్పెండ్ చేస్తుంటారు. I am very lucky to have such a nice husband. I should be very thankful to God.